Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with BandLab. This is the second video in the series BandLab Music and Dance COVID-19 Lockdown Challenge. In the first video, we demonstrated how anyone can create a catchy 4-bar dance track using a very simple formula in BandLab. If you missed it, you can find a link in the description below. In this video, we will share how you can create a Macarena style viral dance routine. You'll be shown by a qualified dance teacher how to put together various dance moves to create a simple but effective dance routine. We have pitched these dance moves to match the national PE curriculum in key stages 1, 2 and 3, so it's suitable for any young person between the ages of 5 and 16. But actually, I know their mum or dad will want to get involved too. Of course, these dance moves are only a guide to what you can do, and if you'd prefer to just create your own, then do it. The challenge is to use the music track you'll hear in this video to create a 1-minute dance routine. If you want to use an extended 3-minute version, you can download it for free at the Inclusive Music Academy. See the link below. Or if you really want to show off, then why not create your own original music in BandLab, as demonstrated in the first video. Any questions? Okay then, let's hand it over to Caroline McCrate from the Move Dance Academy.
I'm Caroline McCrate from Move Dance Academy, and I'm going to be doing some little dance steps with you today for International Dance Day. Okay, so this is the Dance 1 Key Stage 1. So you're going to step and put your right arm to the side, step and left arm to the side, so it looks like you're a muscle man, and then you're going to go down to the floor into a ball, up into a star shape, punch them back down by your sides as you jump in, and then a nice karate kick with whichever leg you like, and you want to protect your chest here with your arms in a fist. So you're going to do step out to the side with your right arm, step outside with your left arm, then from here you wiggle side to side with your hips and your hands above your shoulders, bending from the elbows, go down into a ball, up into a star, hands by your sides, and karate kick. Okay, so now with a bit more flow. So you've got your right arm, left arm, wiggle, 1, 2, 3, 4, down into a ball, up into a star, bring them together, karate kick. Ready? Out, wiggle, into a ball, star, in, kick and down. Key Stage 2 version, you're going to do step, step, 2 waves, wave, wave. Then we're going to step and turn round to the right, step, turn, step. We're going to clap low down by your knee, step, turn, step, and clap high up to the ceiling. And then you're going to do a star jump from there, star jump, and kick down. Okay, so just a few more moves. So you've got out, out, wave, wave, step, turn, step, clap low, step, turn, step, clap high, star jump, and kick. Ready? Out, arm, wave, wave, step, turn, step, clap low, step, turn, step, clap high, star jump, kick. Key Stage 3 version. We're going to do arm, arm, so it starts the same, but then we're going to alternate our arms. Our right elbow is going to go down, this one stays the same, and then you're going to switch. Okay, so you've got arm, arm, down, switch. Then we're going to do a fast spin around to the right, turn around, 2 punches, right arm, left arm, turn around the other side, then left arm, right arm, so it's always your outside arm. Then you're going to jump your feet apart, put your hands on your hips, drop your chin down to your chest, bend down, and do a little snake head coming up and then finish with that big karate kick. Okay, so a bit faster. Arm, arm. There, switch. Spin around, punch, punch. Spin around, punch, punch. Snake head and kick. Ready, steady and go. Arm, arm, switch, switch. Spin around, punch, punch. Spin around, punch, punch. Snake head and kick. Dance 2, key stage 1, a little bit different. So you start on the spot and we're going to tap your right foot forward first. Tap forward, bring it back in, and then left. Do that again, right and left, so 4 times in total. Then we're jumping side to side 4 times. Right, left, and then a fun little wiggle, 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 and 2 claps. 1, 2. Okay, so a little bit faster. Right, left, and jump in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ready, steady, and tap. Right, left, and jump. And wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Dance 2, key stage 2. We're going to do 2 taps forward, right foot, left foot, and then we're going to do a nice big slide to the right. And make sure your arms are nice and diagonal there. So from this arm to that arm, a nice straight line, and then we're going to slide the other way. Okay, so tap right, left, slide, slide. Then we're going to do 4 jumps, doing a quarter turn each time, going around to the right. 1 to the side, 2 to the back, 3 to the other side, 4 to the front, making sure you've done a full turn there. And then we're going to do wiggle, 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 clap, clap. Okay, so a bit faster. Right foot, left foot, slide, slide, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle, 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 clap, clap. Ready, and tap. Right, left, slide, slide, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Dance 2, key stage 3 now. So you're going to do tap forward with your right foot. Sorry, this right foot. Bring it back in, and then out to the side and bring it back in. Then your left foot forward and in, side and in. Okay, but we're going to add an arm to that to make it a bit more tricky. So you're going to tap your right foot forward. As you tap your right foot to the side, you're going to punch that right arm across to the other side and then bring it back in. So on the left, forward, bring it in, across and in. All right, then we're going to do jump section, and we're going to jump side to side and then front to back, so you make a little diamond shape. Side to side and front to back. Then you're going to jump your feet apart. You're going to cross them and jump. Make sure you're nice and bendy here, a bit like you need the toilet, and then spin around all the way to face back to the front again. Okay, so a bit quicker. So you've got tap it, out to the side, tap it, out to the side, then side to side and front to back, jump apart and cross, turn around. Ready, tapping right foot, forward and side, forward and side, jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, cross and turn. Dance number 3 now. For key stage 1, you can start with your feet together and fold your arms like this. We're going to do 4 bounces with your knees. At the same time, we're nodding your head in time with the music. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go into a ball pose like this, and then a power pose where you stand really strong with your hands on your hips and your feet apart. Then this is the best bit, turn into a superhero. Don't mind what superhero you are. Stretch up your right arm, lift up your left leg. You can go higher and higher if you want to, just don't fall over. And then come back down, and then the other side, woo, like that. I wanted to be a superhero then. So you stretch and bend, stretch and bend. Okay? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, in, and power pose, superhero, down, superhero, down. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, ball, power pose, superhero, superhero. Okay, for dance 2, key stage 2, you're going to jump into a star first, then stretch up nice and tall, into a ball, and then we're going to go into a sumo wrestler pose, okay? So you have to make sure that your knees are nice and wide, and you get your hips nice and low, okay? I don't want to be up here, down nice and low. So you've got 1, 2, ball and sumo. Then we're going to take both hands over to the right knee, turn in the left knee, we're going to do 2 bounces here, 1, 2, then to the other side, 1, 2, then from here we're going to go into a superhero to the right and a superhero to the left. Okay, so that last bit's a bit quick. Okay, so from the beginning you've got star, straight, ball, sumo, bounce, 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 superhero, superhero. Straight, ball, sumo, bounce, 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 superhero, superhero. Key stage 3 for dance 3. Similar to key stage 2, we're going to go a bit faster. So we're going to go star, straight, in, sumo. Then you're going to drop your right knee in and then come up, left knee in and then come up. So you need to keep your balance in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this position, you're going to take your right leg going across to the corner and then take it back again, across to the other corner and back again. Jump your feet together and then you're going to roll up by bending your knees, pushing your hips forward, tummy, chest. And the last thing to come up is your chin and head. Then we're going to do 2 pumps at the top. So if you're doing it quickly, it should look like that. 1, 2. Okay, so from the beginning, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the key stage 3, dance 3, just going to go through that little body roll bit. So you've just done your top rocks going across, you've done your right leg and your left leg. Jump your feet together with your knees nice and bent, and then you're pushing up through the body. So you bend your knees, then your hips come forward, your tummy comes forward, your chest and your shoulders. Now if you're struggling with that as well, because it is quite a tricky movement, a good way to practice is to use a wall like here and just put your knees against it, and you want to press each of your body parts against it until you get to the top. That's a good one to practice. But a little bit strange if you're practicing by yourself and then someone walks in. They're like, what are you doing? Okay. Alright, so you jump your feet together, roll up and pump, pump. Ready, up. 2, 3, 4. Knee in, top rock, and jump and roll, pump, pump. Dance 4 for key stage 1. So, nice easy beginning with 4 marches. So you're going to do right, left, left. As you do that, you're going to roll your arms away from you at the same time, like you've got a piece of string around your wrists and it's going round and round, okay? So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, hands on your hips, and then you do bend and stretch, bend and stretch. Say that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, bend and stretch, bend and stretch. Then we're going to do a big step out to the right side, a nice lunge, so you're bending that right knee. As you do that, you're going to rainbow your arms, stretch your elbows, stretch your hands all the way over the top to the other side, and then bring it back to centre again. And then you're going to rainbow over to the other side and bring it back in. So you've got march, 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 bend, stretch, rainbow and in, and rainbow and in. And it's nice to do a nice big head there. Try and follow your hands, follow the rainbow all the way over. for Dance 4 Key Stage 2. You're going to do 4 marches, starting with your right foot. Each time you march, you're going to push up to the ceiling in different directions. So when we go with our right leg, we're going to push up towards the right corner. With our left leg, we're going to push up towards the left corner. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to crouch all the way down to the floor. When you're here, we're going to do 3 bounces. 1, 2, 3. Then jump back up again, explode with your feet apart. Then you're going to do a big lunge forward with your right leg. You're going to push your arms up to the sky and open them in a big circle. Then you have to use all your muscles here and push away off that front foot. Do the same with the left leg. Big lunge, opening the arms and step back. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, bounce, bounce apart, big lunge and open, then push back, big lunge and open and push back. Ready, steady, pushing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, bounce, bounce apart, big lunge and back, big lunge and back. Right, so dance 4, key stage 3. So we're going to do 4 steps side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, starting with your right leg. With the first step, you're going to punch both arms down, so your left arm comes slightly in front of your body, your right slightly behind. Then you swap them round for the second step. For the third step, you're going to take them up to the ceiling. 4th step up to the ceiling. Make sure you're really making that a nice strong movement so it doesn't look all floppy. So it's strong, 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 strong. Then you're going to go down into the sumo position and you can do 3 bounces here. 1, 2, 3 and stretch. Going to turn to the side using your arms and we're going to do roll, roll towards your body and then come back to the centre. Turn to the other side, roll, roll, back to the centre. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Get low, low, low. Stretch your legs. Turn, roll, roll in, roll, roll in. Ready, steady, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and stretch. Roll, roll in, roll, roll in.
I hope you've enjoyed this video and have created an amazing dance routine. The next video in this series will help you create your own extended 3-minute dance track. To ensure you don't miss it, please consider sharing, subscribing, and dinging that bell. We've just launched the BandLab Academy Facebook group so that we can build a community of BandLab fans to connect, collaborate, and support each other. Just go to Facebook and search for the BandLab Academy or click on the link in the description below. Here you can also publish your dance routine videos and share your BandLab music creations. You can download a couple of 3-minute backing tracks to get you started on your dance routine, and there will be some dance and music resources available for teachers coming soon on the Inclusive Music Academy website. Find the link in the description below. So, until the next video, stay safe and keep making music.